Howdy y'all, my name is Mason. Today I'm going to be your guide to the great outdoors. Today we're going to be building a permanent shelter. I've chosen this spot that we're in right here due to the fact there's a lot of cedars, and cedars are a very good building material. They're easy to get through, easy to clean up, and also on the ground here, since cedars leach the water out of the soil, we don't have a lot of brambles and poison ivy growing here. Those are the reasons why I chose this spot, and I'm excited to get started. Okay, now that I've cleared it up a little bit, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna saw it off as close to the base as I can. That way I can use all this for building and or tools. Oh, that's heavy. And then I took all of the brush and bramble and kind of formed a wall here. Now what I'm going to continue to do is expand that way. I'm going to take this tree for wood, I'm going to take that tree for wood, and I'm going to take that tree for wood. You might notice I'm wearing a different shirt. That's because I was chopping with my hatchet and it skimmed off the tree and hit me in the leg. It had a pretty big cut and I could see bone, so I kind of freaked out. I took my shirt and used it to make a splint on my leg. A splint? What was I thinking? But I got it patched up now, and I lost a couple hours due to that, because you have to walk all the way back and then all the way here. So I lost a lot of time. I might finish tomorrow, but as right now, I need to get started again and pick up the pace. Oh, there she goes. Timber. More chop. Oh, okay. She's down. Now I can pull her over here. Surprise, it's heavy. Just break. Okay. My phone died before I got to say goodbye, so thank you for watching. A big shout out to Bass Bros. They've been a huge inspiration. Their link is in the description, so go down, subscribe to them, drop a couple likes, let them know, share the love, and thank you for watching. This is Guide to the Great Outdoors signing off.